In any case, if you want to disable or enable certain groups from accessing UpRaise, you can do that with the help of Jira Group based access option in UpRaise access section. So there are two sub options. First is all groups can access UpRaise except, and no groups can access UpRaise except. So, what is the first option? All groups can access UpRaise except. So, for an example, we already have one group added to this field, Jira Service Desk User 1. So, whoever belong to this particular group will be restricted from from accessing UpRaise. They won't even know something like UpRaise is installed on their Jira instance. So you can add multiple groups here, or by just clicking on this field. So when you click on this field, you will get a drop down option of all your Jira groups that are already defined on your Jira instance, and you can just select them. The second option is totally opposite to that. Here you can disable all other groups except selected groups. So for an example, if I select a group called, let us see what all groups we have here. Yes. So you can see we have different groups here, and I just want to select this test group. So all other groups will be disabled, and only test group will have an access to UpRaise. So in this way, we can just decide the UpRaise access on different Jira groups on the basis of different Jira groups. Typical used case for this is many organizations have their clients and customers within their Jira, and being an organizational tool, they do not want their customers to access UpRaise. In that case, you can create a separate group for your customers, a Jira group for your customers, and you can simply add that group here and restrict that particular group, disable that particular group's access for UpRaise. Or another use case might be of your own teams. Sometimes if you do not want a particular teams or a set of employees to have an access to UpRaise, you can simply create a group for them and add them to this exception list, and they will be restricted from accessing UpRaise. Or if you want to have an access, if you want to enable an access for a particular group or certain groups, you can simply add those all groups here and disable UpRaise access for all other existing groups in Jira.